Yo, Charger, are you there? Yeah, I am, Outlet. I'm on Angel's bed, bro. When is Angel gonna come in his room? I don't know, bro. It's getting late. He should be coming right now. Okay, good, because I have a lot in store for you guys. What do you mean? Oh, you know, I got a lot of juice to give. Okay. Yo, bro, are you hearing this? Oh, hell yeah, I am. And I'm loving every single thing about it. I can't wait to plug you down, Outlet. I got so much juice in store for you, Plug. Oh, and I can't wait to transfer it to Charger. Hey, yo! Hey, someone's coming. Oh, I need to charge my phone. Oh my god. Finally! Oh my god! Forget it, I'm gonna just go to sleep. Damn.